Hi friends, Mike Scott, Mike's Health Coaching. Today's topic will be on nuts and seeds. The benefits of nuts and seeds, I should say. Nuts and seeds are excellent for anti-inflammatory, reduces blood pressure, and suppresses cancer cell growth. This is just 3 out of the many other great topics that nuts and seeds are known for. All the past studies that have been done about nuts and seeds, the conclusion of all of them, which are very great studies, 40% reduction in the risk of death from cardiovascular disease, 24% in the decrease of breast cancer. Again, this is just only a couple of benefits of nuts and seeds. Now, insufficient nuts and seed intake is thought to lead to the deaths of millions of people every year. Now, to give you a rough idea about how many, it's 15 times more than those who die from the overdose of drugs such as heroin, crack cocaine, and other illicit drugs combined. 2 handfuls a week, consuming them, equals 4 hours of jogging. Fun fact. Now, we need fat. So everybody who tries to go on a totally no-fat diet, that is not beneficial. It may be short-term, but not long-term. Long-term, we need our fats, omega-6s, omega-3s, and nuts and seeds are great for that. Fat calories from the nuts and seeds are not all absorbed. Some are lost in the stool, and yet others, remaining ones, are absorbed calories that go into the bloodstream gradually, unlike oils and saturated fats. So they can be burned for energy rather than stored. So this is an easy way to be able to eat our nuts and seeds, which are heavier on the calories, but not to gain weight. It's shown that on these studies that your weight will remain the same or lose some weight rather than gain weight, as long as you're not eating it by the bag. Now you may say, what are some of the nuts and seeds? Some of the nuts, we've got almonds, Brazil, cashews, hazelnut, macadamia, pecans, pistachios, walnuts. Now, 4 Brazil nuts a week will lower your LDL by up to 20 points. Fun fact. Just don't eat too many because of selenium, which is not too good for our system if we have too much. Now, for the seeds, we have the chia, hemp, pumpkin, sesame, sunflower, ground flaxseed. When you're having the ground flaxseed, once you open up, make sure that you store it in the refrigerator or freezer to store for a longer life. In the cabinet, it goes bad quickly. Please, give me a call. Text me, 774-772-4834. I would love to work with you on your health goals, your weight goals, be able to help let you achieve what you desire. I'd love to add years to your life, but more importantly, add life to your years. Thanks. Have a great day.